Writing is an art of expressing our thought and views. We can't we can't write something in an organized manner. Language in the medium of communication, our ideas, thoughts, or feeling in the form of speech or writing. Writing aims to capture a thought or idea and to transfer it to a permanent format, make it tangible. If communication is the ultimate goal, write for audience, not for personal style. Writing has to be much clearer than spoken language because it lacks these assisting cues. Type of writing. Type of writing: free writing, independent writing, process writing, essay writing, narrative writing, expository writing, and persuasive writing. Writing a skill means to convert thought into the word. Is that it means proper standard and punctuation, grammar, and other important aspects of writing. Writing is the component to a speech or a spoken language. Writing is not language, but a tool to make language be read. Good writing skill allow you to communicate your message with clarity and ease to a far larger audience than through face-to-face telephone conversation. Writing skills help learner gain independence, comprehensibility, fluency, and creativity in writing. Writing skills are a specific ability which help writer to put their thought into the words in a meaningful form, mentally, and interact with masses. Writing is the process of using symbol, letter, alphabet, punctuation, space in communication through an idea in a realistic, readable form. Good writing skill allow you to communicate messages with clarity and ease. Writing is the medium of human communication that represents language, emotion, thought, inscription, and recording of sign and symbol. Writing is the creative skill as the other skill. Proficiency comes with practice, some ease with writing, some case with writing. Characteristics of effective writing. Writing is the complex process where it involves various components. It involves a central idea, rich and appropriate vocabulary, variety of grammar structure, continuous flow of thought, link idea coherently, use of simple and easy language, captive and adaptive, suitable for readable. Importance of writing. Importance part of communication. Writing aims to capture thought, idea, to transfer it into a permanent format, making it tangible for preservation and transmission of culture, tradition, and art. Getting information, idea collection, and critical thinking. Reading writing connection.